No module named package_resources. I'm deploying a Django app to a dev server and I'm hitting this error when I run pip install a requirements.txt. Package_resources appears to be distributed with setuptools. Initially I thought this might not be installed to the Python in the virtualenv, so I installed setuptools 2.6, same version as Python, to the Python side packages in the virtualenv with the following command. Edit, this only happens inside the virtualenv. If I open a console outside the virtualenv, then package_resources is present, but I am still getting the same error. Any ideas as to why package_resources is not on the path?
July 2018 update. Most people should now use pip install setuptools, possibly with sudo. Some may need to re-install the Python setuptools package via their package manager, apt-get install, yum install, etc. This issue can be highly dependent on your OS and dev environment. See the legacy/other answers below if the above isn't working for you. Explanation. This error message is caused by a missing/broken Python setuptools package. Per Matt MS comment in setuptools issue number 581, the bootstrap script referred to below is no longer the recommended installation method. The bootstrap script instructions will remain below, in case it's still helpful to anyone. Legacy answer. I encountered the same importer today while trying to use pip. Somehow the setuptools package had been deleted in my Python environment. To fix the issue, run the setup script for setuptools. Or if you don't have wget installed, e.g. OS X, try possibly with sudo prep ended. If you have any version of distribute, or any setuptools below 0.6, you will have to uninstall it first, *. See installation instructions for further details. * If you already have a working distribute, upgrading it to the compatibility wrapper that switches you over to setuptools is easier. But if things are already broken, don't try that.
It also happened to me. I think the problem will happen if the requirements.txt contains a distribute entry while the virtualenv uses setuptools. Pip will try to patch setuptools to make room for distribute, but unfortunately it will fail halfway. The easy solution is delete your current virtualenv, then make a new virtualenv with distribute argument. An example if using virtualenv wrapper.
I have seen this error while trying to install road code to a virtualenv on Ubuntu 13.10. For me, the solution was to run. Before I run easy_install road code.
Fixed it for me in Debian. Seems like uninstalling some .deb packages, twisted set in my case, has broken the path Python uses to find packages.
If you want to support the channel,